Assalamualaikum. My name is SYAZANA binti NAZRI SHAM. I want to share about question number 1. Question 1 relate to the matrix inversion method. We choose the inversion method to solve the calculation for this question because it is easy and suitable for the question. It is also difficult in completing the task, which is writing the question formula. The picture above shows the calculation part for question 1. Different an example about matrix inversion method and Cramer's rule. Difference between the inversion method and Cramer's rule. The inversion method is more general and flexible but requires the calculation of the inversion matrix, which may not be practical for very large systems. Cramer's rule is a more direct method for small systems, but the calculation becomes very complicated when applied to a large system or with many variables. Both of these methods depend on the condition that the matrix. In conclusion, for question 1, it is indeed necessary to use the inversion method to complete the calculation.
Assalamualaikum. My name is IWANI binti HASMADI FAIZUL. I want to share about what I'm doing during my assignments. Firstly, my challenge while do this assignment is difficultly the editing in Google Words, especially when working with 3x3 matrix, as the formatting can be tricky and time consuming. Next, why I like using Cramer's rule because it's direct method. Cramer's rule provides an immediate and systematic way to find the solution to system of linear equation, making it a straightforward approach for small system. But Cramer's rule also have limitation. While efficient for smaller system, Cramer's rule become less practical for larger system due to the computational complexity of calculating multiple determinants. Lastly, using Cramer's rule helped me deepen my understanding of linear algebra concept and strengthens my problem-solving skill, especially in matrix operation and determinant. This is all from me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Nadiah from AZNAM and I'm from Group 3 and I will be presenting about my question which is vectors. So this is my question. It's about a trapezium. I need to find OB, AC, EE and ED. This is my answers. This is how I solve my questions. How do I find OB? How do I find AC? How do I find EE? And how do I find ED? So what do I get from solving these vector questions? So first of all, from what I've been able to understand to these vector questions, there are a lot of things to see in order to understand the question more. For example, in my questions, it says that point D is the midpoint of BC. From this on, we can see that the value of point BD is equal to 1.5 BC, in which we can have the value of the questions that we need. And next is the challenges that I was able to overcome when doing this question is you have to really read the questions thoroughly. I wasn't really able to solve this question myself. I need to ask someone else to help me solve this question. So if you ever get stuck on solving these questions, just ask someone else. They may be able to help you. And in conclusion, what I can conclude is solving math questions may seem to be hard, but it takes some practice to be able to solve it. Like the saying says, practice makes perfect. Thank you.